thought there's chilies.
Chilies?
I thought.
They are smokers.
Oh man. I think we're the only Singaporeans. Yeah. So it must be N2, okay? Sing the Singapore song loudly.
Huh? They will train the birds to sing my You're Singapore.
Later got.
You came me back again. It's just a bouncer. This is a show. She's ready. She seems very excited. And off she goes. Out goes the ball. Oh yes! A very nice catch. Well done. And we are not done yet. We have one more catch. And a good catch by Evelyn as well. Well done. Okay. A brownie kites. They are mostly.
Round of applause. Alright, moving along, I need a volunteer. This time I'm looking for an adult lady. Ladies, put your hands up. Go. Everybody. You men, come on down. Now let's give her a big round of applause.
On the egg. Rod, you're supposed to hit the egg. That is a good one, but you completely missed it. Yeah, come on. Yes, grab the rock, on the egg. Oh no, on the egg. Alright, that's a hit. Okay, I'll give that to you. Let's try this one more time. Okay, yeah, behind you. Yes. Pick it up. On the egg. Yeah, forward. Okay, you know what? You turn around. Let me help you. Harder. Okay, I'll give that to you. Now, an egg of this size take about half an hour to break. Okay, ostrich egg has a very, very thick shell. Well, we don't have half an hour, but we have a smaller egg. Now, how about if we give Rod here a chicken's egg? This time round is gonna be very different. No more tools, no rocks, no pebbles. All you have to do is just bring it up to the harder surface and smash it down. No, it's not broken yet. Yeah, keep going. Still not broken. You know why? That is made of wood. It's not a real egg. Well, we don't give him the real one every day. If not, he will have a very high cholesterol. Not that healthy, eh? Okay, that's enough. Stop playing with the egg. Give it back. Yeah, let it go. Okay, that's for you. This is a white-headed vulture from Africa. And we have another one right in the corner. We've done with that. All birds in the field, those are the marabou storks of Africa. They are not birds of prey, but they are known to be among the vultures in the wild. And running around on the ground, there is a black flag from Asia. All eyes on the tower, folks, everybody. Rupel griffon vultures from Africa.
Oh my God.
And here they are once again, the Fuji Wall of Hawks. Thank you very much. And this show is sponsored by Fuji Photo Flow Private Limited. And the falconers involved, we have Gun over here. Right in the corner we have Sushi. Coming in.
What's that? Yeah, okay. Ready? Cute. Let's go. Come on. 可以下去的吗？哈。 There before. I'm just very太累。你想过嘞
What are those extra sounds?
Say something, people.
Becky is hungry.
I am. Ah, Jimmy, they're coming nearer.
啊？
可以越靠近哦。对呀。Are pelicans mute?
No.
Meiyan.
Yes.
I say yes.
Yes.
No!
Yeah, noisy and really intolerant. Okay. 哎，我觉得它会渡人的嘞，有渡啊那样。哎，它会有。No, you poke it with your lip. No, don't.
Becky suggested you.
Use your sunglasses.
啊，那个东西也是给哦，不好看。
你不要那么坏哦。哦，angry。
Hello. Hey.
Use the other end. Oh, there's something on his head. That's very irritated.
I'm very scared. You know all the sudden reactions.
Then don't poke it lah. Oh, the other one are very angry. Don't you?
不要动啊！不要动。
Angry already lah. You're like fanning it.
Hey.
Don't be so bad. He's angry already. 你看他盯着我。
我 chap leh, not fun one.
后面那个人眼睛超红哦。是的 ，parrot。